Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer data to a VIVO X300 FE from an old Android. First, what you have to do is install and open an app called Clone Phone. You don't have to set up like a pro. I'll be right back. After closing the ads, you have to press send data from the phone you want to send your items from and receive from your new phone. You press on Android. On the old phone you select the files you want to send. Then press on send files and transfer to Android. Then we found the phone and we'll scan the QR code that our Vivo phone shows us. Then we just connect to device and the files are starting to transfer. You can always stop the process, and when it's done, you have your received files. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.